Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install State Farm app notifications for claims, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your smartphone and locate the State Farm app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to launch it. Once the app is open, sign in to your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. After signing in, navigate to the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the side menu. Scroll down to find the Settings option and tap on it. In the Settings menu, look for Notifications. Tap on Notifications you will see various options for notifications related to claims. Find the option specifically for claims notifications. Toggle the switch to enable claims notifications. You may have the option to customize the types of notifications you wish to receive. Adjust these settings according to your preference. Once you have made your selections, exit the Settings menu by tapping the back arrow. You should now receive notifications from the State Farm app regarding your claims. To ensure notifications are enabled on your device, exit the app and go to your phone settings. Navigate to the Apps or Applications section in your device settings. Locate and select the State Farm app from the list. Tap on Notifications within the app settings. Ensure that notifications are turned on for the app. You are now all set to receive updates about your claims through the State Farm app. Enjoy the convenience of staying informed about your claims status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.